Taking a look at the schematics, the pilasters run from the bottom shelf to the top gussets. The pilasters that we purchased are 48 inches in length. However, when I measure the distance inside our cabinet, I get a length of 43.5 inches. We first need to make sure that all of the numbers are facing the correct direction, meaning one of these pieces isn't upside down. Additionally, we can double check at the bottom to make sure that the holes line up with each other. If I flip one of these around, we can see that the holes are not the same. Next, we need to mark one of them at 43.5. And I'm going to set up a stop block on the miter saw based off of that one marked piece at 43.5 inches. I'm then going to stack the remaining 3 pieces, gently pushing them up against the stop block. Next, using a board of sufficient size, I'm going to place that on top of the pilasters and clamp that in place, making sure that the end of the board is as close to my cut plane as possible. Now, with having the correct blade installed on the saw and holding my material as tight as I possibly can, I'm going to very, very slowly make a cut through my pilasters. Again, the feed rate of the saw needs to be as slow as possible, and you should have the proper blade for this. And we now have our 4 pilasters cut to a length of 43.5 inches.